It was a Tuesday morning, just like any other, until I checked my phone. There, buried in my notifications, was an alert from my trading account. My balance had jumped overnight by $2,450. I hadn't placed a single trade or spent hours analyzing charts. The money appeared while I slept. I double-checked, thinking it was a glitch. But the trades were real, executed automatically. This wasn't luck. It was the result of a decision I'd made weeks earlier to try automated trading. Suddenly I realized this was true passive income. A system was working for me 24/7, finding opportunities I'd never spot on my own. That morning changed my view of wealth forever. You don't need to be a Wall Street pro or have a huge bankroll. Technology has leveled the playing field. Earning money while you sleep isn't just for the ultra-rich anymore. I saw the proof on my phone. It was real, accessible, and something I had to share. This was the start of a new chapter in my financial journey. And it could be yours too. Setting this up takes less than 5 minutes, and you don't need any trading experience. Here's how it works. 1. Click the link below this video. That's important because it unlocks the 200% deposit bonus. 2. Register a free account with BinBot Pro. 3. Deposit at least $250 to start trading. 4. Choose the trading strategy that fits your style. I use a balanced one. Not too risky, not too slow. 5. Click Activate. And that's it. The robot will start trading for you right away. And once it's running, it doesn't stop. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can literally check your balance in the morning and see new profits waiting for you. Meet BinBot Pro, an automated trading robot. It's like having a tireless financial analyst working for you around the clock. BinBot Pro scans the markets, analyzes data, and executes trades using powerful algorithms. No need to understand charts or market jargon, the robot does it all. It removes emotion and guesswork, trading purely on logic and data. BinBot Pro can monitor dozens of assets at once, finding opportunities humans would miss. It's built by expert traders and constantly refined for smarter, safer trades. You get institutional-level trading power without the complexity. It's smart, disciplined, and fully automated. I started with just 250s, the minimum deposit. I was skeptical, so I treated it as an experiment. After setup, I let the robot run and checked the next day. My balance was up by $35 in 24 hours. Small, but it proved the system worked. I let the profits ride, and compounding kicked in. Daily profits grew, $35, then $50, then $100 plus. All while I lived my life. Within weeks, my $250 became $1,500, then $5,000. That's when I woke up to the $2,450 profit. You don't need a fortune to start, just the right tool and patience. A small step can lead to real financial freedom. Let your money work for you. Getting started is simple. Create a free account on the BinBot Pro website. Connect to a recommended broker and deposit as little as $250. Choose a pre-configured robot. No technical skills needed. Set your trade amount, start small, and hit start. The robot takes over, analyzing markets and trading automatically. Check your account anytime to see your results. No need to watch the screen, just set it and forget it. Anyone can do this, regardless of experience. The secret is compounding. Profits earning more profits. Each day, your robot's gains are reinvested, growing your base. A $20 profit today means a bigger profit tomorrow. Over time, this snowballs into exponential growth. Most people cash out early, but the robot keeps compounding for you. Letting it run builds wealth automatically. Even a modest daily return can turn $250 into thousands. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about steady, sustainable growth. Small wins add up to big results. That's the power of automated compounding. Let's talk numbers. I started hoping for $50 a week. Soon I was making $200, $400 a day. On big days, profits soared into the thousands. Start with $250, and at a 3% daily return, you could double your money in a month. Let it run, and $250 could become $1,500 in 3 months, $5,000 in 6. Imagine what you'd do with that extra cash. Of course, results vary. Markets can be unpredictable. But BinBot Pro's algorithm is designed for consistent long-term gains. These numbers aren't just possible, they're real. The opportunity is here for anyone willing to start. The biggest risk isn't trying and failing. It's not trying at all. Every day you wait is a day you could be earning passive income. The window of opportunity won't last forever. Early adopters always reap the biggest rewards. Waiting 6 months could cost you thousands in missed profits. The risk of losing $250 is small. The risk of missing out is much bigger. You can keep trading time for money, or let your money work for you. All it takes is a small step. Sign up, deposit, activate the robot. Give it a week and see what happens. Don't look back wishing you'd started sooner.